Hi, my name is Fatina Billah binti Azmi. My matric number 2020-826646 and I'm from class 2G. In this video, I will tell you about my project that related to subject FPA150. Name for my project is the Smart Watering Container. The Smart Watering Container is like a type of water reservoir container, but it has many holes under it. Why I choose to make the Smart Watering Container? Okay, let me tell you. All plants need water. Water is one of the necessities for plants because it is a medium of nutrient transport in plants and it can help the process of photosynthesis. The effect of lack of water is the crop becomes withered and the crop can also die only after a few days without water. However, excessive water can also have a negative effect on crops. Therefore, this product has been created to prevent plants from receiving excess water. This container has so much advantage and three of it are easy to make. It is such an environmental friendly product, and by using this container, farmers can save their time for watering their crops. The equipment and material that we need to make the smart watering container is used cooking oil container, some nail, a plier, some sticks, candle, lighter, big sellotape, sharp knife, some bricks, rubber pipe, used detergent container. How to create the smart watering container?
Step 1. Cut at each end of the cooking oil container using a sharp knife. Step 2. Connect each end of the container that has been cut using big sellotape. Step 3. Make many holes at the lower side of the container. To do this, we must use nail and plier. Use plier to grab the nail. We must heat the nail and push the heated part of the nail at the lower side of the container. Step 4. Plant a stick at each end of the plant's bed and add one stick in the middle of the bed to avoid the project splitting in two. Step 5. Put the container that has been connected on the stick. Step 6. Take the detergent container and make two small holes at the lower side of the container by heat the nail and poke the heated part of the nail at the lower side of the container. Step 7. Cut the rubber pipe and insert it into the hole that have been created. Step 8. Stack the bricks next to the container that have been put on the stick and put the detergent container that has been filled with water on the bricks. Step 9. Put the pipe in the container and let the water flow out through the hole under the container.
That's all from me. Thank you.